Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign into your Microsoft account because cancellations for Xbox Game Pass on PC must be done there. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions so you see the active Game Pass line. Make sure the account shown matches the one billed. If not, sign out and sign in with the correct address. Close the Xbox app to avoid accidental changes there. This avoids delays and ensures you're working on the single authoritative page for subscription management. You now locate the exact Game Pass line and click Manage. That opens the controls you need. Once open, carefully review the billing cycle and next charge date so you know when access will stop if you cancel. If a promo or trial is present, note its expiration because refunds or proration vary. Click Cancel to start the flow. The site will offer options like pausing, ending now, or keeping benefits until the next billing. Choose the option that matches your intent. You confirm cancellation on the final confirmation screen. Make sure you click the Final Confirm or Turn Off Recurring Billing button. Once done, expect an email confirming the change. Save that as your record. If charges continue after cancellation, verify you canceled the correct Microsoft account and review bank statements for the transaction date. If the site won't process, clear your browser cache or use a different browser. And if necessary, contact Microsoft support with your subscription ID from the Services and Subscriptions page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.